Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Most repeated 1000 MCQ series part number 34, question number 901. Question number 901. On which country flag there is eagle and snake? Netherlands, Mexico, Kenya, none. The correct answer, Mexico. Eagle and snake lies on the flag is Mexico. On which country is geographically in America but politically in Europe? The correct answer, Greenland. Greenland located in physically or geographically in America but politically involved with Europe. The biggest library of Pakistan, Qaid-e-Azam Library, Allama Iqbal Library, Army Central Library. Correct answer, Qaid-e-Azam Library in Lahore is the biggest library of Pakistan. The highest railway station of Pakistan, Kaun Mehtrozai, Peshawar, Swat. The correct answer, Kaun Mehtrozai is the highest railway station of Pakistan which is located in Balochistan. Who is the first vice president of Pakistan? Liaquat Ali Khan, Nawabzada Salimullah, Nurul Amin. The correct answer, Nurul Amin. Nurul Amin, first vice president of Pakistan. Who was the first governor State Bank of Pakistan? Mr. Zahid Hussain, Talat Hussain, Shaukat Ali. Correct answer, Mr. Zahid Hussain. First governor State Bank of Pakistan is Mr. Zahid Hussain. Kinjar Lake is situated in Karachi, Thatta, Sadqabad. Correct answer, Thatta. Kinjar Lake, very famous lake, is situated in Thatta, Pakistan. The largest Pakistan fort, Rani Kot, is situated in Thatta, Jamshoro district, Hub district. Correct answer, Jamshoro district. Largest fort, Rani Kot, is situated in Jamshoro district. Karakram Highway ends at Gilgit, Skardu, Kashgar. Correct answer, Kashgar. Karakram Highway ends at Kashgar in China. Ulysses was written by James Joyce, Rolf Ellison, Miguel de Cervantes. The correct answer, James Joyce. Ulysses novel was written by James Joyce. Ulysses was written by James Joyce. Catch 22 was written by Leo Tolstoy, Stanley Walpole, Joseph Heller. Correct answer, Joseph Heller wrote the Catch 22 novel, which is the story of catching the prisoners. Who prepared the Pirpur report? Nawab Salimullah Khan, Raja Sayyid Mehdi, Raja Ghazan. Pirpur report presented by Raja Sayyid Mehdi. Basically, report describe or represent the incident of Muslims during the year 1937 to 1938, which is the government of Indian Congress. How many people won 2 Nobel Awards? 3, 4, 5. The correct answer, 4 people who won 2 Nobel Awards. Their names are Frederick Sanger, Linus Pauling, John Burdon and Marie Curie. Very famous and very important question. The persons who won 2 Nobel Awards are 4. Frederick Sanger, Linus Pauling and John Burdon and Marie Curie. The list of coded instructions, computer program, algorithm, flowchart. The correct answer, computer program. Coded instructions are known as computer program. What does UNIDO stand for? The correct answer, United Nations Industrial Development Organization. UNIDO stands for United Nations Industrial Organization. Industrial Development Organization. United Nations Industrial Development Organization is known as UNIDO. What does IMO stand for? Correct answer, International Maritime Organization. IMO stand for International Maritime Organization. Now or Never pamphlet is initiated by Chaudhry Rahmat Ali, Liaquat Ali Khan, Qaid-e-Azam. Correct answer, Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. Now or Never pamphlet is initiated by Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. Pakistan first missile is Hataf 1 Shaheen Gori. Correct answer, Hataf 1. Pakistan first missile is Hataf 1. Siemens is unit of capacitance, electric conductance, charge. Correct answer, electric conductance. Siemens is a unit of electric conductance. Skyland Island is dispute between Japan and America, Japan and Russia, Japan and China. Correct answer, Japan and Russia. Skyland Island is dispute between Japan and Russia. ILO, International Labour Organization, was established in 1919 in Washington DC, Geneva, New York. Correct answer, Geneva, Switzerland. ILO, International Labour Organization, established in 1919 in Geneva, Switzerland. Which is national animal of India? Lion, tiger, black cobra. Correct answer, tiger. National animal of India is tiger. Which is national flower of India? Jasmine, lotus, sunflower. Correct answer, lotus is national flower of India. Tale of two cities related to French Revolution. What is the name of the cities? Paris, New York, Paris and London, Paris and Rome. Very important question. A tale of two cities related to French Revolution, and cities are Paris and London. Cities are Paris and London. Tale of two cities describe the story of Paris and London, and with the reference of French Revolution. Currency of Bhutan: dollar, rupees, the Nagaltram. Very important question. Currency of Bhutan is Nagaltram. Thank you for watching my video. Thanks a lot. Kindly subscribe my channel.